All right, so I've got this 2012 Dodge Journey, and what is happening is the battery is overcharging. It's 17 volts, 15 volts, 14 volts. It's not going below 14.4. When you first start it up, it throws a whole bunch of codes and lights. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to figure out what's causing it, because I don't think it's the alternator. I think it's actually just a wire issue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this up, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it does when you fire this thing up. I guess I should get some keys, because there's no keys in here. And we'll figure this out. And what we have to do is fire it up once we get in here. Right here. Watch this thing. So you're gonna have all your ABS and everything's all gonna come on. Okay. And you can instantly tell it's not going to work because your blower comes on and your stereo doesn't work. So right now, see the battery light right there? It's charging at like 17 volts. This right here means there's something wrong with your voltage regulator. You don't want to leave this long like this, but I think it's something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the wiring loom before I put the new alternator in, just in case it's something like green ground. That's what happens when the wire turns green. Uh-oh. Now I got an anti-theft code, which I've never had on the stereo. Great. Nothing but fun. Okay, so after taking all the wiring apart, what do I find except for that broken wire right there? And that goes directly to the alternator. Let's fix this and see what happens.